If you use Microsoft Word every day, there's a small setting that can make editing feel a lot smoother. And that setting is called Smart Cut and Paste. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Smart Cut and Paste in Word in just a few clicks. This is a great feature if you want Word to handle copied and moved text more intelligently, so your spacing and formatting stay cleaner while you work. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this with any document because this setting is inside Word's main Options menu, not inside a specific file. Once Word is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This will open the Backstage menu, where you can access settings and account options. From the File menu, scroll all the way down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where most of Word's advanced settings are stored. If you've never been here before, don't worry. It may look like a lot at first, but we only need one section. On the left side of the Word Options window, click Advanced. This is the area that controls editing behavior, display settings, cut and paste preferences, and more. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you find the section labeled Cut, Copy, and Paste. Word has several paste-related options in this area, so take your time and look carefully. In that section, find the checkbox that says Use Smart Cut and Paste. Once you see it, click the box to turn it on. When this option is enabled, Word can handle cut and paste actions more intelligently, which can help reduce extra spacing issues and make moving content around a little easier. After checking the box, you do not need to change anything else unless you want to adjust other paste preferences too. Just click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. That's the most important step, because if you close the window without clicking OK, your setting may not be applied. Now Smart Cut and Paste is enabled in Word. The next time you cut, copy, or move text around in your document, Word will use that setting in the background to help manage formatting more smoothly. If you work with reports, essays, business documents, or any kind of formatted text, this can save you time and reduce cleanup later. If you want to double-check that it worked, you can go back to File, then Options, then Advanced, and confirm that the Use Smart Cut and Paste box is still selected. That's a good habit whenever you change an important Word setting. And that's it. You've now enabled Smart Cut and Paste in Word. It only takes a moment, but it can make editing much easier over time. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.